Judgment Ibrahim. I'm a civil servant from Kwara State. Last year, July, I had an incident of stroke. So when I got to my doctor in the private hospital, what he told me was that you don't admit stroke patients because they stay long in the hospital. You can spend up to 3-6 months in the hospital. You better go to the teaching hospital. So I said, okay. My daughter took me to teaching hospital. But as we were going, we had a box of rain soul with us because we were already in the business. So when we got to the emergency ward, she started me on 2 sachets, 3 times a day. When I first got there, I couldn't walk, I couldn't hold anything, I couldn't use my left hand. The same with my left leg. So by the 3rd day, I was already trying to hold something. The first day the physiotherapist came, she put a bottle of 75 cl water in my hand. The thing just slipped up because it just slipped up because I couldn't hold it. But by the next day when she came, she gave it to me, I held it. She said I should wait to direct it. And she said, Mommy, what is happening? I said, I don't know. So on the 5th day, I was already off. So I was supposed to go for heart analysis. They called the porter in the hospital to take me in the wheelchair. When we got there, I just got up from the wheelchair. I was walking out. And she said, we got that's my testimony. I was raised. Within 13 days, I was discharged from the hospital. I was I'm happy